Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the addition of fractions. In that, addition of like fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions have the same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions have the same denominator are called like fractions. Here we are doing addition of like fractions. While we are doing the addition of like fractions, first we have to add the numerators. We have to add the numerator. That means sum of the numerators by denominator same, no? So common denominator. Sum of the numerators by common denominator. Denominators both are will be equal. So one denominator we have to write. So first we have to add the numerators. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 by 6. 1 plus 2 how much? 3 by 6. If you observe these 3 and 6 will come in same table. What table? Both will come in 3 tables. So both we have to do the division with 3. So 3 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. 3 table 3 how many times? 3 ones are 3. 3 table 6 how many times? 3 twos are 6. So the answer is 1 by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. First we have to add the numerators. Denominators are same. So we have to take one denominator. Next same. 2 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 6 by 10. So here also first add the numerators. 2 plus 4 plus 6 by 10. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 6 12 by 10. This 12 and 10 will come in what table? Both 2 tables. So 12 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. So 2 table come 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. It is an improper fraction. We can convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. So how? So do division with 5 here. 5 here 6. 5 ones are 5. So 1 will be here. So it is the whole number, it is the numerator, it is the denominator. So the answer is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Okay, first we have to add the numerators and denominators are same. We have to take one denominator. Now we have to check what we have to check. These two will come in same table or not. Yes, while they come in same table, we have to do the division. Otherwise, if it is a proper fraction, we have to leave. If it is an improper fraction, we have to convert into mixed fraction. So here 6 by 5. 6 by 5 do division. 5 ones are 5 1. So 1 here quotient is a whole number. Remainder is a what? New numerator. Divisor is denominator. 1 by 5. Next 1 by 4 plus 2 1 by 4. These are what fractions? These are mixed fractions. So first what we have to do the addition of like fractions, these mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fractions. Mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fractions. So while we are converting into improper fraction, it is a whole number, numerator by denominator. So first we have to multiply whole number and denominator. So multiply these two. 1 4s are 4. Add this numerator. How much is numerator? 1. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by what is the denominator? 4. Next plus same again these two whole number and denominator. 2 4s are 8. Add this numerator here 1. So 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4. Now these two denominators we get same. Yes. What we have to do? Add the numerators and write one common denominator. So add the numerators 5 plus 9 by 4. 5 plus 9 14 by 4. This 14 and 4 will come in same table. Yes. What table? 2 table. 2 sevens are 14. 2 twos are 4. So do division both with 2 by 4 divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 7 by 2 twos are 4, 7 by 2. So it is a what fraction? It is an improper fraction. So these improper fraction we have to convert into mixed fraction. So what we have to do? Do division side. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 1. So 3 is a whole number. This 1 is a new numerator by divisor is denominator. 3 1 by 2. Next one is 1 1 by 5 plus 3 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So these two are mixed fractions, convert into improper fractions. So multiply 1 5s are 5 and add in the numerator. 1 5s are 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So here add the numerators. Denominator side add the numerators. 6 plus 16 plus 1 by 5. 6 plus 16, 22. 22 plus 1, 23 by 5. So 23 by 5. So it is an improper fraction. How we are saying it is an improper fraction? Numerator is greater than the denominator. So this improper fraction we have to convert into mixed fraction. So division, 5 4s are 23. So 4 is a whole number, 3 is a new numerator, denominator is 5. Next one is addition of unlike fractions. Addition of unlike fractions. If you observe here 2 by 5 plus 5 by 8. When the denominators are same, when the like fractions we are adding the numerators and writing on denominator. But when the denominators are different, that means unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Fractions having the different denominators are called unlike fractions. So 2 by 5 plus 5 by 8, these two are unlike fractions. How we are saying these two denominators are different. So while the denominators are different, while we are doing addition of fractions, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Here what are the denominators 5 and 8. So we have to find the LCM of 5 comma 8. If you observe here 5 and 8 will come in same table. No. 5 and 8 are co-primes. 5 and 8 are co-primes. LCM of co-primes is their product. So we have to multiply these two. 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. So LCM is 40. So first write this fraction 2 by 5. So like this write 2 into by 5 into plus here 5 into by 8 into. So first here LCM how much get 40. Denominator table we find the LCM for denominators now. So we have to check from the denominator. So the LCM in the denominator how many times it will come? 5 times 8 40. How many times? 5 8s are 40. So both the numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 8. 5 8s are 40. So here what is the denominator? 8. So this 8 table, this LCM how many times? 8 5s are 40. So both the numerator and denominator here multiply with 5. First we have to find the LCM of the denominators. In the denominator table this LCM how many times will come? That many times. With that number we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. Here first fraction 2 by 5. So 5 is the denominator here. This 5 times this 40 LCM how many times? 8 times. So both we multiply with 8. Next fraction 5 by 8. In this what is the denominator? 8. This 8 times this 40 how many times? 8 5s are 40. So both we are multiplying with 5. So 2 8s are 16 by 5 8s are 40 plus 5 5s are 25 by 8 5s are 40. So denominator is same. Now these two are converted into like fractions. Why? How we are doing addition of like fractions? Add the numerators and write one common denominator. So 16 plus 25 by 40. How much 16 plus 25? 16 plus 25? 41 by 40. So this 41 by 40 is a what fraction? It is an improper fraction. How we are saying it is an improper fraction? Numerator is greater than the denominator. So numerator is greater than the denominator. It is an fraction. So if it is an improper fraction, we have to convert into mixed fraction. So do division here. 40, 41. 41s are 40. So 1 will be the remainder here. So this quotient 1 is called whole number. This remainder 1 is called numerator, and this is the denominator. So 1 by 40. Okay, next one. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 16. Here also denominators are different. So first we have to find the LCM. LCM of 8 comma 16. These two will come in what table? 8 and 16 will come in 8 table. That means this 8 is a factor of 16. Yes, 8 is a factor of 16. So 16 will come in 8 table. So this 16 is the LCM. If one number is a factor of the other number, the bigger number is the LCM, the smaller number is the LCM. So we have to find here LCM. 8 is a factor of 16. So 16 is the bigger than 8. So that 16 will be the LCM of 8 and 16. So 16 we should write here. LCM is 16. So first fraction 1 into by 8 into plus second fraction 3 into by 16 into. So same, we find the LCM for denominators. This denominator table, this LCM how many times it will come? 8 times 16 how many times? 8 2s are 16. So with that 2 we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. So 8 2s are 16. Multiply both the numerator and denominator with 2. Next 3 by 16. This 16 table, this 16 how many times? 16 1s are 16. So here 1, here 1. 16 1s are 16, both we have to multiply with 1. So numerator is 1 2s are 2 by 8 2s are 16 plus 3 1s are 3 by 16 1s are 16. Here denominators are same. So what we have to do? We have to add the numerators. 2 plus 3 by 16. 2 plus 3 5 by 16. So it is what fraction? Numerator is 5, denominator is 16. This numerator is less than the denominator. So it is called what fraction? It is a proper fraction. Which one we have to convert? Improper fractions we have to convert into mixed fraction. Proper fractions we can convert? No. So 5 by 16 is the answer for this. Next one. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. So here what is the LCM? LCM of 4 comma 6. These two will come in 2 tables. So we have to find the LCM for this. 4 comma 6. 2 table. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Again these will come in same table. No. So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. How much? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 is the LCM. So first fraction 1 into by 4 into plus second fraction 5 into by 6 into. Now in the first fraction what is the denominator? 4. So this denominator table, this LCM how many times it will come? 4 table 12 how many times? 4 3s are 12. So here both the numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 3. So here write 3, here write 3. Next fraction is 5 by 6. Here what is the denominator? 6. Always we have to check the denominator table only LCM. Why? We find the LCM for the denominators. We find the LCM for denominator. So here denominator is 6. LCM is 12. This 6 table 12 how many times? 6 2s are 12. So both multiply with 2. So 1 3s are 3 by 4 3s are 12 plus 5 2s are 10 by 6 2s are 12. So these two will be like fractions. So how we do the addition of like fractions? Adding the numerators and one common denominator. Common denominator is denominators are same. So we have to take one denominator. Add the numerators 3 plus 10 by 12. 3 plus 10, 13 by 12. Now it is what fraction? Numerator 13, denominator is 12. This numerator is greater than the Yes, so it is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. It is called an improper fraction. We can convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. So do division here. 12 table 13. 12 ones are 12. 13 minus 12 1. So this one is a whole number and this one is numerator and this one is denominator. So 1 by 12. One is 2 by 15 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 5. Here these are also like fractions. First we have to find the LCM of these three numbers. So LCM of 15, 10, 5. So do the LCM 15, 10, 5. All will come in 5 table. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Again 3 2. 3 2 will not come in same table. So the LCM is 5 into 3 into 2. Here 1 no need write. 5 into 3 into 2. So 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. LCM is 30. So first fraction 2 into by 15 into plus 2 into by 10 into plus 3 by 5. 3 into by 5 into. So we find the LCM for the denominators. In the first fraction, what is the denominator? 15. This 15 table is 30 how many times? 15 table 30. LCM we get 30. In 15 table 30, 15 2s are 30. So both the numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 2. Next one 2 by 10. Here denominator is 10. This 10 table here LCM is 30. This 10 table 30 how many times? 10 table 30. 10 3s are 30. So both the numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 3. Next 3 by 5. In this fraction what is the denominator? 5. 5 table 30. 5 6 are 30. Here 6. Here 6. So multiply 2 2s are 4 by 15 2s are 30 plus 2 3s are 6 by 10 3s are 30 plus 3 6 are 18 by 5 6 are 30. So these are what fractions? These are like fractions. So all the denominators will be same. Now what we have to do? Add the numerator. So 4 plus 6 plus 18 by 30. 4 plus 6 plus 18. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 18. 28 by 30. This 28 and 30 both will come in what table? 2 table. Yes. Here it ends with 8. So it will come in 2 table. It ends with 0. So both do division with 2. 28 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2. So 2 table 28. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 15s 30. 14 by 15. This 14 by 15 is what fraction? It is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. So we can convert a proper fraction to mixed fraction? No. We have to convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction. So the answer is 14 by 15. Next one. 3 11 by 12 plus 5 5 by 9. These two are what fractions? Mixed fractions. While we are doing the addition of mixed fraction, first we have to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 3 11 by 12 plus 5 5 by 9. So while we are converting a mixed fraction to improper fraction, it is a whole number. This one and denominator 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36. Add this numerator. 3 12s are 12 3s are 3 12s are 36 plus 11. 36 plus 11. 47 by 12. 47 by 12 plus same these two. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 5. 50 by 9. Next we have to find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 12 comma 9. 12 comma 9. Do the LCM for this 12, 9. 12 and 9 will come in 3 table. So 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again 4 and 3 will come in same table? No. So the LCM 3 into 4 into 3. 36 how many times? 12 threes are 36. So both we have to multiply with 3. Again here 9 table 36. 9 fours are 36. So both we have to multiply with 4. 47 threes, 3 sevens are 21. 3 fours are 12 plus 2, 14. By 12 threes are 36. 141 by 36 plus 50 fours are 200 by 36. So 141 plus 200. So 341 by 36. Now 341 by 36 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fraction. Do division 36 and 341. 36 9s are 9 6 are 54. 9 3s are 27. 27 5 32. 324. Here 11 3. 11 minus 4 7. 3 minus 2 1 0. So 9 17 by 36. 9 17 by 36. So we have to convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction. So the answer for this 341 by 36 is equal to 9 17 by 36. 2 2 by 3 plus 1 1 by 4 plus 2. These two are mixed fractions. We have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 2 2 by 3. First we have to multiply these two. 2 3s are 6 plus 2. 8 by 3 plus 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 1. 5 by 4 plus 2. Here only one whole number given. We have to take 2 by 1. We have to take this 2 by 1. If 3 give 3 by 1. 1 give 1 by 1. So whatever given here it is a whole number. We have to convert into fraction. How? By 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So we have to write by 1. Now we have to find the LCM of 3, 4, 1. 3, 4 and 1 are co-primes. So the LCM of these three are their product. So 3 into 4 into 1. 3 4s are 12. 12 1s are 12. So the LCM is 12. First fraction 8 into by 3 into plus second fraction 5 into by 4 into plus third one 2 into by 1 into. So in the first fraction what is the denominator? 3. In this 3 table this 12 how many times? 3 4s are 12. So both we have to multiply with 4. Next fraction 5 by 4. Here the denominator is 4. This 4 table LCM how many times? 4 3s are 12. So both we have to multiply with 3. Next 2 by 1. This 1 table 12. 1 12s are 12. So both we have to multiply with 12. So 8 4s are now multiplying. 8 4s are 32 by 12 plus 5 3s are 15 by 4 3s are 12 plus 12 2s are 24 by 1 12s are 12. Now these are all will be what fractions? Now these are all like fractions. Why we are doing addition of like fractions? Adding the numerators and one denominator. So add the numerators 32 plus 15 plus 24 by 12. So 32 plus 15 47. 47 plus 24 61. 61 by 12. So this is what fraction? It is an improper fraction. Converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So do division with 12. Here 61. So 12 5s are 60. 1 will be the remainder. So this 5 is called a whole number and 1 is numerator by denominator is 12. So 5 1 by 12.